Hey everybody, Mr. Smith here with the directions for the Social Justice Reflection assignment. So if you have not already gone and watched my weekly message, then I would please encourage you to do that so you get a little bit more information about this. But just a quick summary here, that I know this is a emotionally trying, difficult week for the entire country, as it should be. And The scheduled assignment for this week was the Atlantic slave trade, which is obviously very relevant still today. It was a foundational event in creating the racist system that exists in our country to this day. Um, but I also know it's a topic, it's a tragic, horrible um, event. It's one of the most tragic events in all of human history, and so it can be a horrible thing, to a difficult thing to be learning about even in the best of times. And I know that some of you might not be feeling the emotional energy right now to be tackling it. So I would encourage you to, if you can, at least go and look through the links on the Atlantic slave trade assignment and watch some of the videos and do some of the readings, because it is an extraordinarily important thing to know about and to learn about. But if you're not feeling up for that this week, then this social justice reflection is an alternative assignment. If you do this assignment, it will be graded the same as if you did the Atlantic slave trade assignment. And I think in some ways this assignment is just as important, given the current context that we're in now. And what this assignment is going to ask you to do is to open up the slideshow that is linked at the bottom of this page, that gray button that you always click to get your assignments, and read through that slideshow, walk through that slideshow. And when you get to the end of it, it's going to ask you to do a reflection. And you can either reflect on the slideshow, or what I'd really, really encourage you to do is to also sign up and join one of the community circles that are happening during the next week or so. And if you should have gotten an email about how to register for that, from me and from the school. But if you don't, then please, shoot me an email and I'll make sure you get the information. And I'd encourage you, if you feel uncomfortable, to sign up to join my community circle. But whatever teacher you choose to join, then I'd encourage you to join a conversation about it, and after the conversation that you've had with your peers, then go and fill out the reflection. There's also a quote provided that you can write your reflection on as well if you need an additional prompt. But you'll have your slideshow, you'll have a community circle if you choose to attend one, and the quote that you can write your reflection on. And I want you to just write freely about how you're feeling, what you're thinking, reflect on it. And I will do my best to read all of those and respond to all of them, because this week, more than any other week that we've been out of school, I'm missing you guys and missing being in class, missing being able to have this discussion with you in person, giving it the time and the gravity that it deserves, and trying to make the best of it given the situation that we're in. And I'm really hoping that a lot of you will take advantage of this opportunity to reflect. And I'm here to listen, here to learn from you guys, and hope that all of you guys are safe, and that you're okay, even if you're not feeling emotionally okay at the moment. And I do hope that you're following what's going on, and that you're feeling it, and that you're engaging with it, because it is the single most important thing to think about in our country today, the most important thing for us to confront. And we don't spend enough time talking about it. We don't spend enough time tackling it as we should. So, as always, if you have any questions, or especially this week, if you'd like to just drop by and talk, then please come to office hours or shoot me an email anytime. And again, hope that everybody's doing okay.